In this video, you will learn how to schedule a patient. First, open Google Chrome. Now type your URL here. Next, type your username and password here. Then click Login. On the left-hand side, you will see a calendar and next to it, the time options. Select a date and time. In this case, I will choose 9:45 a.m. Now, under the Patient tab, you will see the category option. Clicking on it will display a list. In this case, I will select Follow-up Patient. Let's click here to search for a patient. Type the patient's name here and click Search. Once you find the patient's name in the list, click on it. Check the date and time here. In the comments section, type the patient's chief complaint. Now, click Save to confirm the appointment. After that, you can check the calendar to see if it's booked. Thank you for watching the video.